Gauteng authorities are rolling out a major joint traffic operation this morning ahead of the G20 Leaders Summit. Drivers in Johannesburg can expect rolling road closures and delays across key highways and arterial routes between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. The coordinated effort involves various agencies with officers deployed along high-security corridors. Newzroom Afrika's Katleho Sekhotho is tracking the operation and joins us now with the latest from Johannesburg. Good morning, Katleho. What can we expect to see today?
Good morning, Masachaba. We are just 7 days shy of the G20 Leaders Summit that's taking place on the 22nd, 23rd of November here in the city of Johannesburg. And it's a joint traffic operation by law enforcement officials this morning, and much similar to the one that took place on the 25th of October, a simulation of a kind to ensure that traffic flows smoothly through the affected areas in which the leaders will be and high profile individuals and dignitaries will be moving around during that G20 Leaders Summit next weekend. And so some of the main areas to be affected in the south, we're talking here in Nasrec, Omonde View, Riverlea, and then in the north, Sandton, Rosebank and Parktown. And so motorists are urged to find alternative routes and to prepare to spend a longer time on the roads if they are traveling during that time. And really, law enforcement officials will be on high alert. And as we see now, these operations today are preparing for next weekend. And so we have, the different law enforcement agencies. We're talking about the South African Police Service, the crime fighting wardens, JMPD, and all the law enforcement officials who are involved. But take a listen to Obed Sebasa, who detailed on the 25th of October what this is about.
We started and we want to ensure that as head of states, arrive here, things should be running smoothly. Currently, from where we are, you can see that traffic is, gradually picking up. And with regard to, dry run or simulation, closures, are in line with, in fact, the closures are, to simulate movement of head of states motorcades, and that will be resulting in closures of the road. Now, for us to be here, it started yesterday, for us to be here today, plus yesterday, is to ensure that when they arrive, we don't encounter challenges on our roads and traffic runs smoothly without them moving from their residence to their destination with challenges.
Now, Maschaba Tolani Fihla was also on the road with us at the time, and he explained that all these road closures and what's happening around the G20 doesn't just affect motorists, but it affects all road users.
We're not only blocking the roads off for motorists, but for cyclists and pedestrians as well. And to those who are listening, please heed to the call and any instructions from law enforcement officials. We know this is done for a greater purpose, to highlight the capabilities of not only the city of Johannesburg or Gauteng, but of South Africa as a whole. And it's not permanent, and once the roads are open, then you have free movement within the roads.
So, Maschaba, there you have it for now, and the law enforcement agencies encouraging motorists, as they said, the alternative routes that were used in the last simulation are the ones that will still be available to be used today and certainly on the weekend of the G20 Leaders Summit. And so it's a lot of preparation underway ahead of next weekend.
Thanks very much, Katleho. Katleho Sekhotho, Newzroom Afrika reporter, will certainly be bringing you more updates throughout the course of the day.